We're going to do a review of algebra here with solving equations. You won't have to do a lot of equations, but there are some times when you'll need to solve a simple equation, and we'll see in the next section that that often is because you have an equation solved for one variable and you need to solve it for a different one. So we're going to go back and look at how we solve equations. An important word for us to have here is when we use the word solution, we're referring to the value of the variable that's going to satisfy the equation. That means that it's the value that makes the two sides equal. First, I want us to practice translating words into math. If you have a number decreased by 7, that means that you start with a number and you're going to subtract 7 from it, and it's going to equal 12. When you have 9 added to a number, then that would be that number plus 9 equals 3. A number divided by 2 equals 7. You take the unknown number, you would divide, so you would make a fraction, by 2 equals 7. 5 times a number would be written as 5x equals 20. 5 has a few things in it. 3 less than twice a number equals, so we're going to stop at the equals, 3 less than twice a number. Well, that implies that we have twice a number, or 2x, and we're going to subtract 3 because it will be 3 less than. That means the subtraction comes next. Then we equal, and on the other side, 1 more than the number. Well, 1 more implies that you are adding 1. And then the last one, 16 less 3 times a number equals 2 added to 4 times that number. So let's focus on what comes before the equals. This one's different. 5 says less than, and 16 just says less. So the difference here is it actually is 16 minus. When it's just less, you start with the number 16 in this case, and whatever you are lessing, then you subtract that number. 3 times a number would be 3x. Now we equal, and it's 2 added to 4 times the number. So 2 gets added to 4 times the number.